हर एक शाख पे एक उल्लू बैठा है, हर एक शाख पे एक उल्लू बैठा है, गुलिस्तान चमन का क्या होगा? जस्ट पे द मनी एंड बाय द जॉब्स, just pay the money and buy the jobs. No qualifications, no bargains, no abilities. Welcome to the Pesa Public Service Communications. Uh, Even Einstein have a high IQ level in the world. He could not he could not get the 98 marks. But our Pesa Public Service Communications have such a minds. They can get the 98 marks. In Three Idiots, a movie in Three Idiots, Aranchu said, everything is possible if you have money. It's right, everything is possible if you have money. You can get the 98 marks in interview. There is no problems if you have a 33 marks in return. So let's introduce my friends of Pesa Public Service Communications. Here the chairman, Mr. Bilal, and here the candidates, Mr. Bharat Kumar and Mr. Munawar Ali. So let's start.
Uh, Hello everyone. Start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is most merciful and beneficial for all of us. I am the member of PESA Public Service Commission, and we have an institute SPSC, and it's a great institute in our sin. It conducts many tests of many universities. You come and join us and get job in our institute.
So, are you saying that your institute is best?
Yes, our institute, of course, no doubt, our
So,
institute is best.
why some people saying that? Why some people claim that you are not well? There is no test. There is no well test. Even some peoples are choose the way of death because they have no money and they not get the job. At the last, at the end, they choose the way of death. So, what are you saying about it?
I saying that about this that it happens because of those candidates who do that due to that kind of reason. It's not a valid reason for that. Those candidates who have stress, some other reasons like stress of family and stress of friendship and many other stress on those candidates who the reason of that, it's not valid reason that if we get not marks, if we get marks no marks, then it's not a valid reason. And if we give perfect test, perfect, he filling MCQ perfect, then he get job, of course it's merit based.
Okay, we are agree with you that you are say that it's because of all stress or family issues. So last night when I searched on the Google on the Chat GPT about the SPSC means Sin Public Service Commission, that he said that a candidate get 33 marks in the written test. After that, sometime he get 99 marks in the interview. So what do you think about that?
See, interview and written test are different assessments. That in test we use knowledge, and we use our handwriting, and we use, if we are not able to write, if we are weak in writing, then we cannot write. And if someone get 99 marks, he use their personality, he use their skills, he have confidence to communicate with others, then he can do it easily.
Means you are saying that there is a means interview is easier than written test.
I don't say that interview is easier, but
So
some candidates who not able to write, who not able to something write perfectly, but who are able to, but who have confidence, but who have
means
ability to speak, to communicate with the panel of interviewers.
means you are saying that people are not pass the written means lower marks in written test and he get more than means written marks in interview. So how people get the more than marks because you telling simple question from him.
No, see, I tell you that no, there was no simple case. If interview are conducted by a panel, not one single person, there are four or five interviewers uh, between the two between the candidate. That two, they have different questions, and it's also difficult it's also a big challenge to the candidate to pass the interview. There are no simple questions.
Okay. Then in the CSS is a big institute of the Pakistan,
Of course, yes.
and also you accept that the SPSC is more bigger than the CSS. But in the CSS, there are many students, about thousands and in lakhs students who have passed the written. After that, there are many students, thousands, hundreds of students cannot pass the interview. So it means that the CSS interviews is more difficult than the SPSC interview. It's meant like that.
Uh, I don't know about perfect about it that CSS interviews are more difficult than SPSC, but in our interviewer there are more difficult questions for the candidate to face a big challenge for a candidate who give interview.
Okay. The Einstein, who is the most famous scientist of the world and who has the more IQ level than this generation. But he got never marks. He got never 99 marks in the interview or in the written test. But how your students get 99 marks or 100 marks in the interviews? It means that the your students are more perfect than the Einstein.
Uh, I didn't check IQ level of Einstein, but these are new generation. These are young generation. If someone have more IQ than Einstein, it's possible.
So you are saying that means your candidates is more powerful than Einstein.
I don't say that it's possible. I don't exactly 100% so that our candidate or IQ level have more than Einstein, but it's possible.
When your institute candidate means pass in BPS 7, then he posted at a 17th grade. So there is no knowledge, and he go towards college, and our students laugh him because they have no any idea. In 3 or 4 days, there is a teacher, there is a professor post in 70 grade in our college. So there is no ability to means there's no ability to how means a student teach. So how you can say that means you have honorable institute, your institute is honest. You I think you are not corrupt, but your staff is
Of
corrupt.
course, we are
Your
not.
staff is corrupt. They leak paper, and they say means getting money from people, and 3 or 4 lakhs. As you know that there are many people saying that the SPSC getting marks and giving jobs means without ability, without anything. So how do you
No,
think that about that?
no, this is wrong information. It's false idea that we if we give a opportunity to a candidate that have ability to get this field to get this job, we are without ability without knowledge we didn't get give a opportunity to a candidate without knowledge without
Okay, let me tell you that last time on the news, when the SPSC exam held and the interviews held, after that there are many news says that and blame that the SPSC is the most corrupt institute in the world, in the Pakistan. So what do you think about that?
see uh, in the sin in the our society there are lots of men and there are a lot of communication that but I think these are all due to criticize us, and I think that's fake news. And if we do that, that means that I think it's wrong news. It's fake news.
Okay, last time I tell you that, and I'll let me to remember you that last time when people blamed on the SPSC, and they went to court after that in the cases, and court says that the Supreme Court says that the please when you give the interviews from the candidate, So you should record these and upload on the social media, and you prove that the SPSC is not the wrong, is not the corrupt. But why do you but why are you not that do that?
See, in a interview, we record interview and we upload on our website, but interview not get by one or single person. It's there are a panel to get interview, but court said that the court validate that SPSC is transparent or SPSC is merit based.
You are saying that means your institute is not corrupt. So why people criticize on your means SPSC means on your institute? There is a lot of institute in Pakistan also means there is a Balochistan Commission Service, there is a Punjab Commission Service. So why people criticize on your institute? There is a lot of institute here.
I don't know about that, how to they criticize on our institute, but I give you 100% clarify of our institute, that our institute is transparent. Our institute is on the merit base.
So when exam is happen, then the lot of candidate pass written test.
Yes.
At the last means at the last you are not showing some people's result because you getting money from it, and then you not showing these people results. So why, what about you saying it?
It's not a favoritism, and you say that getting money from other pupils to hide result of them, but it's we upload our results, that candidates who apply in our institute, that we upload our results on website. Why say that you can't upload your results that on website? We upload our results on website
So I can't say
to
that,
see everyone.
I can't say that you means don't show your result in on your website. I say that you delay, you more delay to showing the result. People who have means 33 years old, so that's means you delay in 1 year, then he no do not able to do instant job. So because of that the people have 33 years, the range of people who give the job get the job.
There are no work of 1 or 2 days. It's long process to check the results of to check the paper of those candidates who give tests, and then clarify who and then clarify that who get position and that who get high marks, and then arrangement of this all system. It's take more time. It
Okay, you clear and you believe that your institute is 100% transparent, but there are many institutes in the Pakistan like IBA, CSS, or and others. Why people not blame down them, but why SPSC only why SPSC?
you are see they are blaming on us that they are, if they should not blame on us, but they said if in our institute have some flaws, have some damage, then improvement in our institute. But they are not saying that we are corrupt, we are perfectly 100% corrupt. That if some have flaws in our institute, some have damage in our institute, then we improve it.
Okay, if think if two candidates get same marks in the written test and in the interview, so how you decide to select them?
Please repeat your question. I did not understand your
When the
question.
two candidates get the same marks in the interviews and in the written test, about 99 marks or 98 marks, then how you decide to select them? Who one who one you selected them?
There are two students who get 99% marks in interview and both tests. Yes, if they are both are able to get this opportunity, both they are able to. There are no one seat. There are in many fields. There are a lot of seats for candidates. If two students get 99 marks, then they are both selected in this opportunity, this field.
So many people saying that you have the pressure of means politics on your
No,
institute.
no, no. No, it's wrong. We are all free, and we are all free, and we have no any political pressure on us. That fine.
So why are you not prove that means people who have get 98 marks in written, then he 33 marks in interview. So how
See,
who people?
our test is checked by anonymous of codes. Our examiner didn't know even the name of candidate. How they can change that?
It's not matter of knowing name, because people get you money and send means your bank balance is increased, then how means you knowing what's means, it's not problem of knowing name of this or that person.
If you say that if we uh, give jobs for money, then rural families and poor background families, how they get job? Even
There
they have
is,
no money.
so there is no people in this in my college who have means he's saying that I gave lot of money to the to Sindh Institute, then he get us duty job.
Please, you repeat your question.
I saying that who people that have money, then that people have a job, and those people who have no money, then how he can get job?
If there are no corruption, there are no, it's a system of merit based system. Then if someone have ability, then they can get job easily.
So why Pakistan's neuro accountability, I said and National Accountability Bureau saying that the SPSC is corrupt? Why?
It's blaming on us, that blaming on that we are not corrupt. If we are corrupt, then there are lots of examples in history. There are a lot of examples. If we do not if we favoritism and sell jobs, then why we upload our results openly to see everyone?
Because you getting of money.
If we get money, then why we show off?
You always show off because that people give money, then mean people saying that I have money, I get why your candidate saying that I get money and then I take the job? Why your candidate also claim that?
It's not reason that candidates say that I give SPSC money, then he give us job. It's fake information. It's wrong information. That I already explained that our institute is merit based. They're transparent.
So wind up this debate. So there is a lot of knowledge of others and for us.